Oh my bloody wrist. Oh, that watch kills me. It's just all to do with the angle. And I'm one for wearing my watch round the clock. Round the clock, God. These are getting worse. Totally unintentional as well. A nice part of the country down here. On a nice day, that is. If it's pissing the rain, everywhere's miserable. Seriously, missus, it's a roundabout, or otherwise it'd be called a straight across. Cheers guys. Oh, epic view. Epic view. This looks like one of these hills I could do 87 going down. I was struggling to keep 60 and bloody going up the other side of it there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spouts in front of me now and 2 behind me. Aye, so there's 9 of us. There's 9 of us. Here's Marky Mark. Oh. Cheers. Goodness me, I dropped in there. What an absolute asshole in that BMW there. Motorcycle coming straight towards him, he cuts out and overtakes the boat and the cyclist. Oh, what a muppet. Oh, missed that sign, should have been going right. Well, when you don't actually know where you're going, it makes no difference. And this lid is squeaking. Sounds like farts. It's not farts, honestly. I save them for big hills. Bit of boost. That was good. Don't watch because I've got shit lying on the floor that I've just fell. Take it, that's not off mine. Aye, I just put it in gear. I just totally forgot it was running actually. Did I not say last night, that's me, I've had this a year since January and never dropped this one?
Not a bit of damage though, mate. I think you've done alright there. We were actually there.
Oh, I got a fucking battery. So, the other day I was out and I had only an hour and a half or so to go out for a ride, and so I sort of just went out, didn't plan to go anywhere in particularly exciting, so I somehow ended up the back end of Motherwell, and coming back down I hit the traffic, and oh, Motherwell's just a joke. Anytime I go to Motherwell it's just always hectic, the roads, so I hit the rush hour sort of traffic coming back, and I filtered through some traffic safely, I may add. Have you seen my other video? The other one. It's quite shameful. But anyway, and I got down to this bit, and this Fiesta ST just started annoying me. And I normally just ignore it, but in this instance I never. I embarrassed the poor guy. I embarrassed him. Fiesta ST, I don't know anything about Fords. I'm guessing 200 horsepower. 15 horsepower this wee bad boy. 15 horsepower. So here we go. Seriously, Tesla. Okay, so there was a wee bit of dodgy illegalness there going on, but notice I never actually went onto the other side of the road. I made it back in time, it was all sweet. And then I joined the traffic and all was good. Cheers folks, take it easy, peace out. So folks, time for me to fess up. Turns out it wasn't a Fiesta SD after all. It was a 1.6 100 horsepower Fiesta. And the reason I know that is because I put the registration number in the MOT checker and it told me it was only 1.6 100 horsepower. But I still won, 15 horsepower. Cheers for watching, take it easy, peace out.